Oh, they're good.
And that's usually hot.
Oh, that's easy spicy. Oh, God. Right, guys, don't walk to B&M Bargains, run to B&M Bargains. Get yourself some cooked ham. Grab yourself some of this hot and spicy cheddar. Grab a plain flour. And finally, some frazzles. Right, cook me something up, Lucy.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what is it we're actually having?
Right, so I'm going to get the cheese and the ham. I'm going to make them into squares. I'm going to get some egg wash and some flour on them and cover them all in frazzles and get them straight in the air fryer.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Right, so you can use any cheese and ham that you like. We've gone for this chilli one just to make it a little bit more tasty. So you put the cheese down first, remember that. Then the ham, and I'm just going to flick that over so it's like near enough the same size. Another piece of cheese. So just keep doubling it up until you've actually used them all. Keep going. I think we get 5 slices in each. One more. Another piece of ham. And you need to finish it off on a cheese as well. So I'm just going to put the other piece of ham here and then finish on the cheese again. Next, you want to cut off the little bits of ham on the corners, just to make it all the same size. And they go to Peggy. Peggy! Yeah, darling. Next, we want to cut it straight down the centre. Put these in half as well. So 1 and 2. So next off, you want to get some spaghetti. As easy as this, put it straight in, snap it off and do it in the middle and on this end as well. And this keeps them all intact.
Oh my God, that's genius. That is absolutely genius.
Final one, done. So I'm just putting them on the side now and pushing them straight through. Next, we want to get them in the flour and get them fully coated. Like that. And do that with all 4 of them. Once they're all done, we're going to get them into an egg wash. 1 egg, beat it up. Also crushed up my frazzles. I'm going to get them into this bowl. I only use 2 packets of them. All we're doing now is dip. Just the once, we're not double dipping. Coat with all the frazzles.
Look at that.
Probably should have used my other hand for that one. And then place. And the last one now, dip, coat. Oh, it's getting a bit tricky now. Let's get the other hand involved. And place. There we go. So they're going to go into the air fryer now on 180 for 12 minutes. We're going to assess the time as it goes on. Right, so they've been in now 9 minutes and they are dripping and oozing already. So we're going to get these straight onto a plate.
God, they look amazing.
And there they are. How good do they look? Don't forget to pull the spaghetti out. Let's give that a try.
Is that good?
Very tasty.
Really good.
Very naughty, very tasty. Do you want some?
Oh God, yeah. Oh, they're good.
And that's usually hot.
Oh, that's easy spicy. Oh God.
And don't forget to hit the follow button for more food ideas.